Hello, everybody. This is Jerry DeMeo from mortgage-zoom.com. And wait, wrong side, Family First Funding. And the topic for today is the weekly mortgage rate update for June the 16th, 2022. And as always, I'm going to ask first that you please subscribe to my channel. And please, please, please don't forget to like this video. So, I like to smile every week, but it's since we last met for last week's weekly mortgage rate update, we've run onto some tough times. And to illustrate that, I'm going to go to the videotape. So, if you recall last week, I was talking about how for the last 6 to 8 weeks, we've been trading in basically a range. Now, the chart goes like this. When you see it go up a little bit, that's rates coming down. When you see it go down, that's rates going up. So this is rates going up a little bit. They went down a little bit, then they went up a little bit, then they went down a little bit, then they went up a little bit, then they went down a little bit, then they went up a little bit, but all trading within what we call a range. And that range was somewhere between like 5% and 5.5%, maybe 5.625%. And right here is where we left off last Thursday when I did the last weekly mortgage rate update. And then you notice what looks like a cliff. And this is mortgage rates rising. Some of the biggest, we rose more than we've rose in decades in one single day. So this is where we were last Thursday. And this is where we left off on Tuesday. Now, let me get off this screen for a minute. So you say, oh, Jerry, what happened? So what happened last Friday is inflation numbers came out. Inflation numbers came out and they were higher than expected. Now, they were already expecting pretty high, but they came in even higher than expected. And that caused mortgage rates to start rising. And I'm going to go back to the videotape for a second. And if you'll see here, mortgage rates started to improve a little bit yesterday. You see this move here? That's rates improving. Now, we didn't get back anywhere near the losses we got on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, but you'll see this, and I'm going to get off the tape. So as most of you know, the Fed raised short-term short-term rates yesterday, the Fed funds rate, 0.75%, which was historically higher than they've raised it in 30 years. And the reason mortgage rates improved was because the markets were hoping that the Fed was going to step in with something big and bold. And I guess they felt like the markets feel like 0.75 was big and bold and could help with the inflation numbers. So that's why we've seen mortgage rates improve slightly after the Fed raised rates. And again, the Fed rates, and please feel free to go to some of my other videos and you talk about Fed funds rate versus mortgage rates. It's not the same thing. Mortgage rates are long-term rates and Fed funds rate is short-term money. So that being said, so what does this mean for you? This means that rates are near or above 6% right now. And that's the first time I've said that in long, 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 long time. In my early days in the industry, we were at 6%. This is as high as we've been in quite some time. We did get a little relief today that could have potentially brought you below 6% slightly. But more information. So I want you all to understand we are still in a rising interest rate environment. So if you have a loan, a house that you're buying, and you need to lock in your rate, do not think that you know better than the market, or because anything we're doing when we're betting the market is it's a guessing game. And lock in a rate. We are still in a rising interest rate environment. Maybe this is as high as they'll go, but we certainly don't know that. So, if you have any questions or would like to schedule a one on one appointment with me, Jerry DeMeo, please go to www.mortgage-zoom.com and you can have a one on one appointment with me. A much better one on one than I am with this video thing. Again, I want to thank you all for your support. We've got thousands and thousands of subscribers, and we're getting thousands and thousands of hours of video views every week. So thank you. Much appreciated. If you have questions, reach out to me directly and set up an appointment. Again, this is Jerry DeMeo from mortgage-zoom.com and Family First Funding. And please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to like this video. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you again.